Okay, dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahantisa. Children, in the previous lesson, we were discussing worksheet 5 up to number 3. Number 1, 2 and 3 we had discussed in the previous lesson. So, let me discuss from number 4. In number 4, you are given, find the square root of the following correct to 3 decimal places. Children, in the class we have discussed how to find the square root correct up to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, what is the process, what is the principle. I have discussed everything in detail and I hope you must have remembered. Let us apply our understanding to some of the problems. Okay. So, in number 4, the one question I have taken, number 4 second bit, I will do the first bit just after this. You see, suppose you are given 2.5, find the square root of 2.5 correct to 3 decimal places. So, what you will do? To find its square root, see, as you want to find its square root correct to 3 decimal places, what I had said, you recall, when the question is to find, you see, 2.5 is a non-perfect square or non-square number. To find the its square root correct up to 3 places of decimal, we have to take how many digits after the decimal point? 8 digits. If you are asked to find correct to 2 decimal places, then you will take how many places? 6 places after the decimal point. So, as we are asked to find correct up to 3 places of decimal, we have to take 8 digits or 8 places after the decimal point. But here only one place is given, that is 5. That means other 7 places will be zeros. So, you see what I have written, 2.5, 0, 0, I have taken 7 zeros and 1 5, total 8 places. So, there will be 8 places in this number because we want to find the square root of 2.5 correct up to 3 places of decimal. So, first you write like this, then you know how to do by long division. You see, this is the decimal part, you pair it from the left, there is only 1 digit, so it will be left unpaired. Now, first you put 1, so here 1 is 1, subtract, you will get 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then bring this 50 and shift the point to the quotient. Okay, this is the principle. Shift the point to the quotient, then bring this period downward. So, it will become 100 what? 150. Now, 1 plus 1, 2. So, what will we put here? 5, 25, put here 5, 25 into 5, it is 125. Then you subtract, it will be 25. Then bring this period, that is 0, 0, 2500. Now, 25 plus 5, 5 you have put, so add 5. 25 plus 5, 30. Children, you know what is long division. That I am trying to explain. So, 25 plus 5 is 30. Then you put 8 here, then you put 8 here. So, 308 into 8, it will be 2464. Then you subtract, you will get 36. Then you bring this period downward, it will be 36 to the bottom, it will be 3600. Then 308, here you are put 8, so again you put add 8, 316, you see, it will be 3160. Okay, now this is 3600, 3600 and it is 3160. So 316, you see, so we cannot put 1 because if we put here 1, see children, if we put here 1, look at, if we put here 1, then we have to put here 1. Now it is 3161 into 1, it will be 3161. 3161 multiplied by 1 will give you 3161, which is greater than 3600. So we cannot put 1. So definitely we have to put here 0. Now you put here 0. Okay. So 3160 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Then again you subtract, it will be 3600. Then bring the last period, that is 0, 0. So add here 0. You see, it is a very lengthy process, children. There is no other alternative. We have to do like this. Okay. So 3160. Now this is the new dividend. Now the point is what to put here. What to put here and here, and the product of which will be either less than this or equal to this number. That is 3,60,000. 3,60,000. How to know? You see. Now here it is the last 2 digits. You see 36. Here it is 3. So you can try with 9. Put here 9 and 9. See, I have done the multiplication. If you put here 9, it will be 31,609. See, 31,609 multiplied by 9. 9 9 81, carry 8 8, 9 6 54, carry 5, 9 1 is 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4 carry 1, 9 3 27. Yes, it will be 2,84,481, which is less than this. Okay, so we cannot put any digit more than 9, because 10 we cannot put, because 10 is a 2-digit number. So definitely we have to put 9 here. So, and you put 9 here also in the divisor. What is the product? The product is 284,481. Then you subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9, 1, 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, your 15 minus 8 is 7. Now this will be the final remainder. That means the division is complete. We cannot go ahead because there is no other period in the dividend. Okay, so you see, so look at, by taking 8 places after the decimal point to find the square root of 2.5 correct to 3 places of decimal, we took 8 places and we found the square root by long division. We got this much, you see. But this square root is up to how many places? It is correct up to 4 places, not 3. We have to correct up to 3 places only. So how to do? You just round off this place. See, round off the 4th place. As we want to find the square root correct to 3 decimal places, and here we have got 4 places by taking 8 digits after the decimal point. So the 4th place, that is the 1, 10, 100th. Yes, you see, this is the 10th, 100th, 10,000. The 10,000 place, okay, must be rounded off. So you round it off, this number. How to round off? Because it is 9, so you add here 1 and replace it by 0. You know what is the rule of rounding a number. It was taught in class 5 as well as I have discussed in the normal class. Okay, so as it is 9, 5, 6, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then you have to add 1 to the previous place and replace this digit by 0. So what will be the answer? If you add here 1, it will be 1.5, it will be 1.5810. This 0 has no value. Okay, so it will be 1.581. This will be the square root of 2.5 correct up to 3 places of decimal. Okay, so this is what children we had read in the chapter. Just we applied. Let us do another one. Let us find the worksheet of 7. See, square root of 7. Square root of 7 correct to 3 places of decimal. Let us find out how to do. See. So what is the question? This is the first bit. We want to find the square root of 7 correct up to 3 places of decimal. So as we want to find its square root correct up to 3 places of decimal, what we have to do after the point, we have to take 8 places or 8 digits. And what will be those 8 digits? Definitely 0. Okay, so this root 7 can be written as square root of 7.0000456 and 8. See, so take 8 zeros after the decimal point, means 8 places after the decimal point. Okay, these zeros have no value, so this is also equal to square root of 7. Okay, now let us find the square root of this number by long division. See, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4. Yes, there are 4 pairs, 1 2 3 4. So now you put, see, 2 2 is 4. You cannot put 3 because 3 will be 9, which will be greater than 7. So you have to put 2. 2 is 4. Now shift the decimal point here. So bring this period 0 0. Now add here 2. 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. Then what to put? Let us try with 6. 46 multiplied by 6. 6 is 36. 3. If you put here 6. There you have to put 6. 6 is 36. Carry 3, 6, 4, 24 plus 3, 20. 7, 276. Yes. If you put 7, what will happen? It will be greater. If you put 7, let us see. 47 into 7. 7 is 49. 4. 7 is 28 plus. Yes, it will be more than 329. It will be greater than 300. So we cannot put 7. So we have to put 6. Now put here 6. Put here 6. What is the product of 46 and 6? It is 276. Now see. Subtract these 2. Okay. Now 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 24. Now bring this period downward. Okay. Then add here 6. It will be 52. 52 and yes. Now the point is what to put. What to put here and here. You see here it is 24, here it is 5. If you put here 5, you see 5, 6, 6, 6 is 12, 4, 1, yes. Now what to put here? Suppose I will put here 5, 5 to 5 into 5. Look at. Put here 5 and put here 5. Test. 5, 5 is 25 to 5 to 10 to 12. Carry 1. You see. 5, 5, 25 plus 1. It is 20. 2625. It is becoming more. Look at. By putting here 5, the product of 525 and 5 is becoming greater than 2004. So you can easily know. Here it is 24. Here it is 5. See. So 5, if you put 5, 5 will be 25, means it will be greater than 24. So we cannot put 5. So let us try with 4. Okay. 524 into 4 and here 4. 4. 4, 4, 16. Carry 1. 9. Again it is becoming more. You see. 524. 4, 4 is 16. Carry 1. 4, 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 4, 5 is 20. No. It is coming. 4, 4 is 16, carry 1, 4, 2 is 8, plus 1, 9, 4, 5 is 20, yes, it is less. We have to take 4, okay. So put here 4, put here 4. What is the product? It is 2096. Now you subtract, okay. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, it is 3, okay, 304. Now what we will do? Now you again add 4. It will be 528. Now you bring this pair again. 304. 0, 0. See. This pair you brought downward or bottom. Now it is 30,400. You see. It is 528. Now what to put here and here? That is very important. You see. What is the last place here? I mean 100 place. 5. What is the last two numbers? See. It is 30. It is 30 and it is 5. See children. If you put 6 here, if you put 6 here and here, the product of 6 and 5 will be more. You see, that means 500, 5286 into 6. If you put 6 here and here, 5286, 6, 6 is 36, carry 3, 6, 8, 48 plus 3, 51, carry 5, 6 to 12 plus 5, it is 17, carry 1. See. It is becoming more than this number. By putting 6 in the divisor and the quotient, their product is becoming greater than 30,400. So we cannot put 6. So definitely we have to put 5. Now you test with 5. Okay. 5285 multiplied by 5. 5285 multiplied by 5. 5, 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5, 8 is 40 plus 2. 42. Carry 4. 5, 2 is 10. 10 plus 4, it is 14, carry 1. 5, 5 is 25 plus 1, 26. See. Okay. It is less. Now you subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Now you add here 5. 5, 5, 0. 10, 9, 2, 5. Okay. Now. So there is still another 0, another pair, look at, still another pair is there, 0, 0, you see, such a big number. 3,97,500. Now this is what we will put here, you see. Now, see children, what to put now? Look at the last two digits, it is 39. What is the thousand place? 5. So you see, if we put there, see, if we put there 9, suppose I will put here 9 and here 9. If I put here 9, 9 into 5 will be 45 and it will be greater than 39. So we cannot put 9. Let us try with 8. See, if we put here 8 and 8 here, 8 into 5 is again 40. 40 is greater than 39. So we cannot put 8 also. Then 7, let us try with 7. 5, 2, 9, 0, let us put 7 and 7. That means you put 7 here and here. So what will be the answer? You see, 7, 7, 49, 4, 7, 9, 63, carry 6, 7, 2 is 14 plus 6, 20, carry 2, 7, 5, 30, 5 plus 2, 37, 3,70,000 you see. So put here 7, put here 7. It is 3, 7, 0, 3, 4, 9. See, this number is 3,70,349 is less than this number. So we can put 7, but we cannot put 8 or 9 because it will become greater than this number, that is 3,97,500. So take the difference. It is 1, it is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 0 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay. Now the division is complete. Now the long division is complete because there is no other pair in the dividend. So okay. So what did we get? You see, what approximate square root did we get of root 7 or square root 7? We got 2.6457, and we have got how many places? 4 places. Now this square root is correct up to how many places? 4 places, but we need to find the square root correct up to how many places? 3 places. So for that, what you will do? You have to round this place. You see, you have to round the 4th place in order to get the square root of root 7, square root of 7 correct up to how many places? 3 places. So as we want to find the square root of 7 correct to 3 places of decimal, the 4th place must be rounded off. Okay. Now how to round off? You know, look at the 4th place. As you want to round it, and it is what? The 4th place is 7. So what we have to do? We have to add here 1. Add 1 to the previous place. This is the rule, and you replace this place or digit by 0. So what will be the round up number? I mean the approximate square root will be 2.64. You add here 1, it will be 646, and you replace 7 by 0. Replace 7 by 0 and add 1 to the previous place. Now this 0 has no value, so it will be 2.646. okay, approximately or nearly. Okay, so this will be the required square root of 7, approximate square root of 7 correct to 3 decimal places. So I hope, how did I find? You must have understood this thing was discussed in the chapter while discussing the chapter, but we are now putting our understanding to we are applying our understanding to problem. Children, the rest of the questions given in number 5 you do yourself. I am leaving it for you as an exercise. You do it yourself. Okay, children, we will discuss the rest of the questions. There are 3 more questions in this chapter. Actually the answers are very, very long, so we have to discuss one by one in detail. So number 5, 6 and 7 we will discuss in another class. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to understand. So today you do this much. Only number 5 there are 4 bits. I did 2 questions. The 2 other questions you try to solve yourself, so that your brain will be exercised and you will be able to know how to find the square root of non-perfect square, particularly decimal numbers, correct up to what? 3 places of decimal or 2 places of decimal, like this. Okay, children, I hope whatever I discussed you must have understood, and the way I am explaining the answer, it must be, I mean the solution of the exercise or worksheet, it must be very helpful to you. If it is really so, if you think yes, what Mahanti sir is explaining in the class, it is very useful for all of us, then I must say that you please hit the like button and share, I mean subscribe to my channel. Also I would like to say, children, please give comments. If you give comments on every video, I will be encouraged. Yes, my children are watching the videos, they are giving comments, they are asking questions. I will be very happy. I will feel very happy if you give me comment on the video. Sir, this is the problem. We want this type of thing, or I could not understand at this step. I will be very happy to receive your comment, and I will give you reply also, and I will try to rectify myself whatever problems you suggested. If at all you suggest something, this is the thing, if you do this way, we will be able to understand the thing much better. So I will also follow. Okay, so children, whatever I discussed, I am sure you must have understood. If it is really so, then I will say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, as well as you give comments. Okay, so we will again discuss the same worksheet, that is 5 number, worksheet 5 number, rest of the numbers number 6, 7 and 8 in the upcoming class. Okay, thank you.